Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your WordPress post into the pages in a few simple steps. So first we have to log into our WordPress dashboard and click on Add New. Open up a new tab and search for the plugin Post to Pages. Now what this plugin does is simply change your WordPress post to pages. I'm gonna type plugin. Okay, here's post types which are WordPress plugin. I'm gonna open up and download. So the plugin is downloaded. The size is very small, like 10.8 KB. I'm going to upload and choose a file. Select the post type switcher. Install the plugin. Now it's time to activate the plugin and go to your post. Now select the post that you want to change. I want to change all these posts to pages. So I have selected these and edit. Click on apply and change the format. The format is post or status. You can change right here. And the post type would be to page. And I'm going to click update. Now you will not see these posts in your WordPress post section. These are converted to pages, so we're gonna click on all pages and open up. Here you can see the 23 posts are successfully converted to pages. So if you like this video, please thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming WordPress related tutorials and web hosting guides. Thanks for watching.